was started as a PG center of the University of Mysore. As back as 1968, the University of Mysore has got a history of more than 100 years. Then on September 10th, 1980, this university became Mangalore University with the jurisdiction of 3 districts in Karnataka state. One is Kodagu, then Udupi and Dakshina Kannada, spread over an area of, to be precise, 352.12 acres. And we are having 4 faculties: arts, science and technology, commerce and education, with the 28 departments of postgraduate studies and research, offering 40 postgraduate programs, then 31 PhD programs. We are also having 1 post-graduation center at Chikka Alwara near Kushal Nagara, Kodagu district. The campus is known as Jnana Kaveri campus, because the river Kaveri originated in Bhagamandala in Madikeri province. Then enrollment for examination, conducting of the examination and evaluation processes, and announcement of error-free, timely results. As far as our university rankings status is concerned, 2020, we have got QS World University Rankings, 48th place in the country. Then I am very happy to report that Universitas Indonesia, that is UI, Green Metric World Ranking, we got first position on all India basis and globally 139th position because of our innovative and meaningful and effective green initiatives.
Analytical and critical thinking, facilitate mobility and competitiveness, provide exposure and space for human development, enhance knowledge and capacities, impart soft and transferable skills, and conscientize with moral, ecological, and social values. The curriculum is framed and drafted by boards of studies who are given maximum flexibility in drafting and implemented by the department. With women contributing equally to the economy, whether it is in agriculture, fisheries, banking, health and education sectors. As the Vice Chancellor mentioned, 67% of our students are women. We have a special center for women studies which offers open electives in gender and development, women and entrepreneurship development. 85.
I think it is based on the applications that we get and the minimum admission criteria that we have, and also the equivalence committee decides whether their qualifications are.
Then the post is qualified. What about those students who have pursued excellence in that particular section or the analysis?
Understand? Mahila Dhwani.
So all these books have ISBN?
Yes.
Yes, they have. And department has produced 3 vice chancellors in the past 10 or 15 years.
Along with the Kannada literature subject, we introduced interdisciplinary subjects also in the MA courses. Ancient Kannada literature, medieval Kannada literature, comparative poetics, Kannada research in soft core, theory of Kannada literature, poetics, folklore study. It is an important paper we are going to teach students. Cultural study.
Yeah, so may I introduce?
Course objective. So the course objectives tally with the program objectives. So in this next, and of course we also have some papers which actually deal with the cross-cutting issues. Human values, for instance, in human rights deals with these things. Gender, of course, is partially covered in all those things. Employability, because in Karnataka, there is a post called as PDOs, Panchayat Development Officers, and our requirement is that they have to move out of the villages. So yeah, just because it's not also
How many go this faculty? Where's the?
just four commodities.
And Professor Parinita, she has a forthcoming collaboration with European University, Switzerland, on some where did you study? Can you tell? Yeah, it's a transnational history because the Swiss had come to all these different places.
We'd like to emphasize the multiplicity, flexibility and customization. These three values that we are following. There is experiential learning. For instance, we have had students dramatizing short stories for internal assessment. Or we have a film paper where they do micro projects using their own video cameras or mobile phones.
Yeah. We have one UGC. That one. I mean, you show.
Okay, 7.2.
Allah.
It has not completed.
Yeah. That was yeah. The earlier one I mentioned.
No, these 35 also devoted to Constituent College or
No, only our. We were.
Right? Therefore, he has gone on leave. So this is our department, chairman room. So we have presentation. Books actually meant for undergraduate level reading. So they have done mainly focus. We will do some Okay, sir. So we have 5 faculty, permanent faculty. That Professor Shripati Kaluraya was just retired in the March 2020. That Professor Arabi is on leave, long leave. Right now we have 3 permanent faculties and 1 guest faculty in Zimbabwe. So there is 3. Pardon, sir? 3 permanent faculty. 1 is on long leave. Totally 4 are.
because 14 to 19 is the
General rural development is in focus.
Now, how many number?
I think around.
Yes, because recently 4 of them retired. Department of Business Administration to lab painting, and I am very happy and it is my pleasure to present the department before the lab painting. Yes, the major and specific objective as well as these are the facilities available in the department. Well furnished.
How many books are there in department?
We have 1,363 books. Yes. And he is the shop advisor for that.
Okay.
We invite
So
the-
how many company visit in the campus itself?
Last year there was no company, sir, because earlier, before
Last year, forget
Because-
about COVID.
Conduct job fairs.
job fairs and full campus.
That's documentation
And majority of the students we place.
index publication. Out of this publication, how many of you are this focus index?
Because our applications is more than the
So here is the actual strength.
Okay.
Sir, we are.
Two programs, sir. One MCOM and another one MCOM HR.
You have not shown the publications.
This total number.
Yes, sir. That one I have applied. For
What is that course title?
It is social competence and behavior, sir. And it has gone to the second level. Nageshwar Nath sir had just given.
And we made course corrections and all those things. So that will be implemented in a phased manner. That way I am really blessed. Now to start with, let us introduce ourselves. That will be more comfortable for a lunch.
And he has flown from Dehradun to this place. Yeah. Tourism management as well as management. Again, Dean in the Central University. He tells me it's a state university which has been.
And this time, Governor nominated me to act as a syndicate member for a period of 3 years. Thank you.
Administrators as well as educational supervisors, and along with educational researchers who is having research mentality and developing the program specific outcomes such as academic skills, teaching skills and life skills, humane skills, professional competencies among the teachers, and self-learning skills. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, then intercollegiate level BEd.
Under which
You are offering BR.
Yeah.
That is recognized?
The Directorate of Distance Education.
This is
educational institutions and to give the opportunity for students to go as responsible citizens, and this is done through a wide range of curricular activities. And specific outcome is to give a technical and scientific touch to the curriculum and to promote research-oriented subjects to sports science subjects and specialize in training and pedagogical specialization. Left and SLET, totally 57 of our students have completed SLET till now. And for higher education already registered here, all the candidates are registered in this department.
I'll see in the presentation.
Here and in Mangalore University. And therefore, now what happens is that the group get divided. Udupi, this is also comes under our jurisdiction.
okay.
So,
in Karnataka or Kerala?
it was formerly
We
in
are-
this district only.
Mangalore is more near to Kerala. Udupi is
Karnataka Central District Kerala hardly 65 kilometers.
Yeah.
It is a informal line.
The
official
communication.
You cannot
Yes,
Then the deed is there. The deed is there.
I think that it should not be made official.
Ah.
You people discuss in unofficial meetings.
Yeah.
That
Edited?
No, this is written.
By you?
Yeah.
Especially because most of our graduates are going into teaching, PU and degree level. They are working in correction centers, they should be ready. Entrepreneurs, sociological thinking should be there. Also there is a field work research we are encouraging. We have a comprehensive list of all the courses for the benefit of seeing the list there or different semesters. And these were added in 2016 and these were added in 20. As I still remember, I was here in the visit for the 15 visit NAT, and they suggested to introduce more courses and the
course of the sociology department. It is only in the year 2016 professors in the department. One is specializing in HRM and another. So these are the projects that the department has done. We have got 3 completed projects which the department has. Yeah, one is ICSR sponsored projects. Okay, this is for that's the amount what we have got, and then one is
who is the principal investigator?
yeah,
Who is the PI?
Directorate of Municipal Administration of the Government.
Electronics is Bhopet there. Umesh Chandra, he is in the Department of
Hearty welcome, sir.
Journalism.
Recently retired in the year 2018. No professor retired, sir. Education of that I'm the permanent, single permanent faculty, Shashidhar, our English. So our trust series are these media history, media effects, cultural studies. And the accessibility is any undergraduate can get admission into this, sir. It's not, yeah, it's registered, sir.
It's registered.
Registered, sir.
When it was
It's a part of the Mangalore University alumni chapter, sir.
No.
The larger.
There is one university alumni association.
Yes, sir. And this was inaugurated for the first time
And one is departmental administration.
Yeah.
in the year 2014.
old one? Old one. Very small actually.
Yeah, right. And listen to the
The whole process is
Yeah. So this since 2018, the MSc Medical Physics also started with an intake of 14 students. These are all faculty members, out of which 2 professors have retired from their reached superannuation, and he is Professor Dharma Prakash. He is working on crystal growth and NLO materials.
Having other department
CPP. CPP only one in Microtron Center, but that is a collaborative program including physics.
program requires collaboration.
Yeah, that is physics, material science, chemistry, industrial chemistry. But focal point is in Microtron Center because we are using Microtron facility for polyscale functional material irradiation. Pass rate is almost 100%.
Percentage of marks.
A warm and cordial welcome to Honorable Chairperson and members of NACPIR committee.
Yeah, thank you.
I am Jagdish Prasad, Chairman of the department, presenting the profile, endowment lectures and seminars. In the year 2018, we could conduct 2 GAM programs. In the year 2019 international conference and 2 international webinars.
I was with
During COVID, we could conduct 2 international webinars. So these are the recognitions and awards by our faculty members. Two patents are there to the credit of my colleagues, and another 2 patents are filed.
Awarded, right?
First one awarded,
Second 2 are filed.
Welcome to my department, Material Science Department. So, I'll just give a brief overview of this department. So, Material Science was started as a division of Physics Department way back in 1988. It's one of the universities, one of the first universities in the state. Even now, we are the only university to use Material Science program. And in the country also, it's one of the first to start Material Science program because Material Science Material Research Society of India was started in 1980. So the importance of Material Science was realized at that time itself with Mr. Shakila was a
So you were there
since 1980. If they don't get seat in physics and chemistry, then only they come here. And now the seats are increased in all these private colleges also. Even if they don't get anywhere else, then only they come here. So this is our students. So that is to motivate them and to make them high achievers. That is the biggest task we have.
So you have to make them aware of the importance of material science because it is a very, very important subject more than your basics.
Whatever we are speaking now.
When you are saying now, when you have this plan, and we
And these are some of the students' achievements where they participated in several competitions in and around that age over here. And these are our strength. Basically a conducive learning environment, student-friendly environment with good H index because we are having contributing 9 as far as computer science is concerned when compared to physics, chemistry. Next we are there.
Yes, it will be automatically translated into Oya. So you can, yes. So you can also think.
Madam group is working on that in fact to convert into a Kannada language. Transliterate.
And also
one thing I find that
Kannada, you have other languages.
why are you not thinking of even in future to open MTech programs?
Actually we are planning for MTech data science program, sir.
Whatever, MTech
Yes.
computer science start with, data science later on actually.
Okay, sir.
But because not even in your future agenda you want to start MTech program. What is the hindrance actually? Everybody is starting.
Sir, present status because as per the AICTE norms, the MCA program is executing and we need to be.
Yeah, definitely we can.
Phasing out.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. This is a good solution. We will take.
Yeah,
that,
we'll
sir.
take, we are
And probably
planning already. That one we
because
will
you.
be-
There was another Subbarao in Bombay. He is not the person.
He is not, he is different.
He is no
He is
more.
a librarian. KV Subra.
He is no more.
He is there.
K.V. Subbarao was there in University of Hyderabad also.
He is there. He came there.
He visited with the
Yeah, he university, so madam knows, manager is very nice.
national mineral award who got it.
Shankar, Professor Shankar got. Yeah. Sir C. Raman also Professor Shankar and Manjunath has got, IV got Satish Dhawan, INSA fellowship, but sir, and Shankar and Manjunath went on Commonwealth fellowship, and these are the other, fellowships awards we have got in the department. Next one, please.
Here we had a regional workshop under the government. We have consistently conducted national seminars. And here we have just the PPT as it is. And the other departments are only going to. Yes, they will come here. So here is microbiology since 2014, since 2016. Food science and environmental science. The demand ratio is around 4 to 5 is to 1 seat. So we get 4 to 5 times more applications than the number of seats. The intake is as per government now.
Celsius freezer, inverted microscope, and total cost goes around to 13,85,000. And this is a course demand for MSc microbiology as well as PhD microbiology. And we have students from other states, and we have students from PhD students from outside the country as well. And student support, free laptops are issued to SCST candidates, both for MSc program and PhD program, and the beneficial scholarships given to students, that is the SCST scholarship, PCM scholarship.
I am Dr. Chandrasekhar Joshi from Department of Biochemistry. These are our faculties, Professor Manjula Shantaram, Professor Chandrasekhar Iyer, Dr. Dharmappa, Dr. Rajkumar Meti, Dr. Sneharan. And even we have biochemistry here. These are our faculties. And our Department of Biochemistry was established at Field Marshal K.M. Karyappa College, Madikeri in 2003. And later on, in 2014, it was shifted to Jnana Kaveri PG Center, Chikkalavara. Right now we are housed there. And in the same year, the MSc course in biochemistry was started even in this campus, Mangalore University, Mangala Gangotri campus.
So all the faculty members are now there in this campus or?
We have two campuses, madam. One is in Chikkalavara and one is here.
And Madikeri members?
Madikeri it is not there, madam. It has been shifted to Jnana Kaveri PG Center, Chikkalavara.
Ma'am, Professor Sarojini, she is chairman of the tertiary chemistry department.
My Ganesh sir, he is our one of the colleagues. We have two permanent faculties. And this department is actually started from Department of Chemistry in 2009 as a course, as a program. Then it attained the status of a project dissertation, and 18 credits is there, and internal there one guide will be there, and one of the guides will be here, and we have to go there and monitor their progress also there. They do seminars there and they monitor their progress. At the end of the that fourth semester, they will be doing the. No. We have Goa is a fertilizer company. Fertilizer. Yeah. These are this one we have 35 plus 2 industrially sponsored.
Most welcome to the department. This is our body department. We have the 4 faculties and the 3 guest faculties we have. And recently last year our professor got retired. This is the teaching and learning and evaluation, various assessment. This is the number of facilities we have here in department, the student laboratories and classrooms we have the 2. These are the major equipments we have. We have the UV spectrophotometer, live analyzers we have, then gel documents we have, then RT-PCR we have.
What is this environmental test chambers? What are
No, this is actually seed testing, madam.
seed tests?
Yeah, seed testing.
Amount they started this program 1998 December onwards, department systematically developed. For the student purpose,
what we are studying in our text, that kind of herbs.
And Professor Naveen Kumar, Professor Amrish, Professor Naveen Kumar, they are the faculty. Industrial chemistry, chemistry, all
some post in some departments. We had arranged the presentation.
No, we explain in the beginning how the circuit works. This board actually, what is happening in the there is a course called as medical physics here.
On soil agriculture. This is vacuum coating. Vacuum coating and spin coater. Spray pyrolysis, our own student own design, custom design.
What is that?
Spray pyrolysis.
Okay.
And muffle furnace and after. We will do basic fabrication here. And my student got the NNOP project from IASC. He used to go for a calculation.
I don't know volume and tell whether it is growing or whether it is shrinking.
Okay.
Similarly, now the next stage is brain shrinking is there. And so that we are going to go ahead. Then VLSI for biosciences.
Because that's in another building.
One is for fisheries and other one is for cell and molecular. And this is regarding the vision, and more than that, most of our students are getting different jobs and placements because of these unique papers that we have. Earlier this department was a applied zoology department, and from 2016 campus put third in the national level and second in the state in reference to number of birds. We have so counted about 140 birds. And last year they counted about 110 birds.
How little go with, but how do you count?
You also have?
Yeah, why not? No problem.
It's the one which the last building you saw, no? So we'll collect all the rainwater from there, and we have put a pipe. You can see the pipe there. Okay. We have put a filter also there. So all that water will be collected, filtered, and then that is.
If you would like to interact, you can interact.
So what are you studying?
Finally MCA.
MCA. All three of you?
Yes.
Where are you from?
We are from Udupi.
Udupi.
Udupi is 80 kilometers from here.
You like your university? Yes, ma'am. And hostel? Very nice. Very nice. This is kept open from the early morning.
Yes.
It must be coming before the class hours.
Yeah.
6:30.
I should take a photograph of this German group.
They are very regular here. Yeah. We have one problem
Sports lab facility also.
Yeah, there are
sports lab facility which we got sanctioned with this one.
Where is that?
It's in the main building.
We know about Harvard University.
So physical education.
Tomorrow we'll come and have a look.
because-
Tomorrow we'll have a look at his your food and nutrition.
Yeah, bioscience.
You are in charge.
In addition to my regular.
We have only 3 minutes.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Students come here?
Yes. Many students come here. They came for routine examinations.
Yes.
Anemic, many are anemic. They are
Sometimes
giving red tablets. Probably if you show the ledger also. Ledger. We have a record of the.
She's our lab technician in charge.
Okay.
Hey, university. Yeah, MOU. Under that part, she is serving here.
Basic dental treatment is given
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, we are not going to go for any presentation. Just leave around the ambience here. And they are also very tired. Lot of spillover.
Who does that one?
This for those students who doesn't go and pay the money. Here it's free. It's free. So if they find difficult paying 100 rupees per month, no, 100 rupees.
Who was the father of Dr. He is a chemistry professor. She is a chemistry. He was the vice.
On your own, this library doesn't subscribe to any other
For donated books we write, yeah, this is the purchase.
Purchase book.
Purchase.
This is of 1985.
Department HOD what they are recommended in purchase order.
Not evaluated process.
Yes, sir.
So what is that
So we have three processes. One is the personal seal, and then it is recorded now. Now those documents we don't have to keep it here because it is one. Exactly, sir. We are a very small team here, and then we have taken care of the conducting examinations beyond our limitations. We are restricted to 3 districts, but during Corona time, all our students, both overseas students, stayed back in their respective places. Therefore, we had to conduct. Exactly. Most of the
hired some agency in Sri Lanka.
Yeah, we did. We spoke to the High Commissioner. They arranged for us, and this is how they managed, and everything is recorded, video recorded. And they sent to us how the security was taken.
Result.
Right, sir. Result. Exam date is by May, and then the 6th we have given the result.
And this?
Announced date. 18/6/2019. 18/6. Yeah, result announced. This is exactly this one, sir.
गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते
ಬಂಗಾರ ತೆನೆ ತೆನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂಗಾಡಿ ಮನೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಹಿರಿ ಹಿರಿ ಹಿಗ್ಗಿ ಚೆಂದಾದ ಮುಗುಳು ನಗೆ ಸುಗ್ಗಿ ಸಿರಿ ಅರಳಿತು ಗಲಗಲ ಗಲಗಲ ಸವಿಯುವ ಸಿಹಿ ಫಲ ಹೋ
who are 120 plus in number, who have given this beautiful, mystical, magical performance for an hour's time. Can we have a real big round of applause? Thank you. Such a beautiful, amazing evening, and definitely the show shall move on. Well, friends, thank you so much. Let's have a blessed evening. God bless. Good night. This is really nice of you for being here. May I please request the... Yeah, can we have 3 cheers to Mangalore University and the entire NAC team? Hip hip! Hip hip!
Mangalore University is known for its research activities in radioactivity, radiation, totally high power neutron source in the world.
to train their scientists in our center.
How many scientists you have hosted in the supporting that last item?
Yeah, I think
So far?
available. So you can go to, I was telling again and again, the level of detection we have for radioactivity, 0.8 becquerel. This is what from the garden to cow. Cow child. Child is important endpoint for our assessment. Radioactive, see wherever we live, there is a radioactive called radon. So if I talk to here, I have radon. You live in your house, there is radon. Radon is a problem in the European countries. I would rather take 15 students and give them 100% drop out.
We are not seeing
visual systems of this.
Normally the neurology you study with Drosophila, they are very good standard.
The breeding cycle is very fast. You can see many generations in a short time. The same thing you want to study in humans, the generation will be some 30 years. Whereas here, within a short time
It's 10 days, like from larva to adult, it's only 10 days. So 50 days it leaves, so it's very fast actually.
Okay. And with the modern ethical
Also,
problems,
principle
it's
already
very
has,
difficult to
6
work on
Nobel
animals.
Prize.
So this is a better system than we can opt.
That's pH maker.
Ma'am, Mr. Vishalakshi, he is in charge of the.
I'm Professor Vishalakshi, the coordinator of DST Plus program, and I'm also a professor from the Department of Chemistry. I would like to introduce my team who is working here for this facility. We have the deputy coordinator, Professor Bhoja Pujari, who happens to be from Department of Chemistry, and we have very well qualified scientific staff, Dr. Murari, Dr. Satish, and Mr. Praveen.
Flies actually.
Oh my God! Wow, this is Drosophila.
Yeah, Drosophila.
Actually, madam, this one, she
This
has
is that little fly we saw in the test tubes.
other than IAS and JNCSR and chromatography.
Chromatography, liquid chromatography.
You use it for purification.
No, this is because most of these instruments came. I was the part.
Yeah, this is the computer
Got recharging, sir.
So this is the one yesterday. Computers is something that's really one of the government.
The email and send it to individual that was the time. Now things have changed. After that we improved many facilities. To start with, all 39 departments are connected. Each department we are given a freelancer. That is to distribute properly.
Financial and accounting, it's not very difficult also, right? Examination is a little critical. Here still the PI can sign, check it and all that, right? There is a bit of error. Even if there is a bit of error, it can be rectified. So,
registered under me for PhD. And I think already 4 years.
the water level, right? So आप जो बोलते हैं ना कि जो what is that? Water level. Water valve है ना? That valve actually works, doesn't work like. You know that कि okay, in this particular tank there is this much of water, in this particular tank there is this much. ESP 826.
In mythology, it is there, na? Yaksh question.
The Yaksha Prashna.
The Yaksh asked you this still.
Yeah.
Theatre with the cosmetics and the drama conducting.
Theatre of boys and girls together.
No, this is boys only.
Only boys only. Yesterday?
No, now the girls also involving is a new trend.
Transition. Olden days, it was a male dominated day because
male with the female. We have two forms, Shinti Pitu, Padada Pitu. Shinti is south, Padada is north. Yeah.
The green
Supposed
is also musical instruments. All these local musical spirit, agricultural tools, all these.
Classical texts are initially we had horoscopes.
It is out of the languages used. Paddy.
Rice
Storing
is stored in
These old weapons. Here in South Kendra, Kalyanappa is a local deities worship. Nagarakanda. Here we have collected this from Subramania temple.
It is completely safe. It's not harming anything. In the well indicator activity in the nearby industries, that does indicate any kind of pollution toxicity. 2008. Studying on the life cycle of this is the original land and how he is to correct per legend.
A lot of cultural and other kinds of activities, socio-economic activities going on. We have
to enrich younger generation with inputs on culture and history of the region and to inculcate values and morals in students.
Has been renewed every financial year. And the vision of the center has been to empower women in India to live with dignity so that they can contribute as valued partners in sustainable development of the self, families and the nation.
It's an oral presentation. Of course, there will be a simultaneous slides which my research assistant will tell. The first point that, and I'm going to only highlight.
It is protection of our culture, both linguistic, socio-economic, so on and so forth. And if we think of what is our institutional distinctiveness, we have presented that we would like to have a number of, advanced
best practices, and therefore let's do something a little different for a minute before we go on. Let's listen to something which is a video.
How many chairs you have and who has funding? Who has funded those chairs?
I think the funding has been.
Nobody has done public population.
Studying the ancestor.
Ancestor.
Yes,
The chairman and the members are here. The committee is headed by Professor Madhumita Das. And
as well as the higher education also. So we have to come back.
We are not deprived of anything in the university, but when it comes to the labs like biosciences, chemistry, and
if we have two posts, one is in unreserved category, one is meant for men, one for women. That is there. They are bound to do that. And third one is SC, fourth one is ST.
Illegal jobs also. These two aspects that we have sought to select this post.
University should be in the future. So this document is being rephrased and then submitted to the Honorable Vice Chancellor for further action. Is to provide a bus shelter for the university campus. And
My name is Dr. Amita Ravishankar and I am the Director for the Center for Women's Studies, and I am also a member of. And we have Professor Visalakshi, who is the chairperson of the Women's Special Cell that has been just incorporated.
Representative only from master's programs. We don't have yet for PhD. And we don't have any UG programs as of now. Outsiders, we have one NGO member.
And the body has not taken action. Just simply issued one warning to the young person. And if you see that it is the case of sexual harassment, I believe. 50%.
In the last 5 years.
Recently, many more. Earlier, they were around 1 month to 3, 4, 5 like that only.
Indemnification.
We are poor, we cannot pay so much fee like that.
You included in this presentation.
They come in a group. They come to the village center. When they have physical software, they don't take up personal problem.
Yeah, few individual problems like, they joined some college and left.
Personal question. Okay. You came on your own or the university forced you to come here?
She came on her own. She applied.
So you applied. You applied. Yes.
Because there was this circular which
I thought maybe from so far away, no. There are so many faculties and you don't see. There was an advertisement in that. Oh, advertisement for PSW.
advertisement in essence. I am very glad to welcome all of you to this advisory committee meeting. This one. Well, what have we been doing? Rankings, online feedback, AQAR, conduct of AAA, EQMB, organizing workshops, facilitating CAS promotions, journal review, and then next feedback. Yeah, you are already aware of this, we skip this. Then we have action taken report, the NAC peer team recommendations 2014. You would like me to go through this again?
Action taken, I think you
Do you have any black and white?
I have I am the person first informed the whole district about AAA. Nobody was aware of that.
Are you happy? Very happy.
In our department, actually we have both boys and labs,
Respected members of the NAC peer committee and my dear colleagues, I stand before you to welcome you all to this interaction meeting with the faculty members.
But it is our duty to have some interaction with you.
Respected chairperson and members, I would like to say that on behalf of my colleagues that, as you know,
Chancellor also cannot do, but we will definitely pressurize.
Being a state-funded universities, we have no freedom what private universities are having to start a new course, to close a new course. All these freedoms are not. Say, for example, private universities are running medical, engineering, and
For the inspection of that college, that whether they have adequate facilities for the course or not, university will nominate from the faculty of university. So you have to go there.
Commerce, yes ma'am.
Okay, yes.
Hello madam, I got 50,000. I am from
microbiology
department. 3 faculties have obtained seed money for minor.
1,10,000, depending on art, science and commerce.
So you are giving the startup grant even to
Yes,
the
for the young
affiliated
teachers,
colleges
for the young teachers to establish the research facility, that was given.
outside.
All of you are here, research scholars. Yeah, good evening to all of you. We are here to interact with the NAC peer team.
Very good evening to all of you. We are all really very happy to see the research scholars, innovations. So we are very happy to meet all of you. So tell us frankly, how do you find the research ambience? So what else you can have in this setup to upgrade your research ambience? Please feel free to tell us.
Madam, this is our non-teaching staff. On time, they work very well. So such people we have, and some representatives are here. Now the hall is open for discussion. You can interact. I'll be outside. All are regular employees. 200 odd are working. Total around 670 are there. Many have retired, I just told you. So many, they are there. Yes, we are following that.
Okay.
मैडम आज हम इस संदर्भ में NAC टीम के अध्यक्ष
Request you to kindly come on the dais, please.
respected dignitaries on and off the dais, a warm welcome to the exit meeting of the NAC peer team visit Cycle 3 at Mangalore University.
ಜ್ಞಾನವೇ ಬೆಳಕು ಬೆಳಗೋಕೆ ಬದುಕು ಎರೆಯುತ್ತ ಜ್ಞಾನ ತೆರೆಸುತ್ತ ಕಣ್ಣ ಈ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಹೊನ್ನ ಕಿರಣ ದಿನ ಪಾಠ ಪಠಣ ಗುರು ಬುದ್ಧಿ ವಚನ ಇದು ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನ ತಾಣ.
Yes, February 8th, 9th and 10th, we have reached the fag end of the visit. All of us truly experienced several moments of truth during your interaction with a highly enlightened and compassionate 5-member NAC peer team. At the very outset, let me extend a very cordial and hearty welcome to the chairperson of the NAC peer team, Dr. Madhumita Das, former Vice Chancellor, Fakir Mohan University, Odisha. Welcome you, madam. Let me have the pleasure of welcoming Dr. Siba Udgata, member coordinator, to this exit meeting. Our esteemed member, Dr. Manoj Kumar Saxena, Dean, Central University of Himachal Pradesh, Kangra, Himachal Pradesh. Hearty welcome to Dr. Shiv Kumar Gupta, Professor, Dr. S.K. Gupta, Center for Mountain Tourism and Hospitality Studies, Garhwal University, Chauras Campus, Tehri Garhwal, Uttarakhand. My hearty welcome to Dr. Shanti Sundaram, Professor, Department of Biotechnology, University of Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. So I extend a very hearty welcome to the deans, chairpersons of different departments, faculty members, students, research scholars, alumni, and ladies and gentlemen. As I told you already, all of us experienced real moments of truth. Many of us had a kind of anxiety and what will happen, whether we will be able to make the presentation properly, sometimes critical, few and trivial many. So we will not be able to differentiate between issues and non-issues. But here, a very understanding NAC peer team, which created a kind of feel-good factor in the hearts and minds of everybody. Because as Vice Chancellor, I received appreciation from the chairperson of the departments, members of the teaching and non-teaching faculty, students, research scholars, alumni, officers of the university, the members of the syndicate, everybody. They told me that, sir, this time all of us are highly blessed because we got a real opportunity to express ourselves without fear or favor and very comfortably and also confidently.
Namaskar. A very good afternoon to you all. Esteemed Vice Chancellor, Professor P. Subramaniam Yadav Paditaya, I think I spelled correctly. So, Madam Professor Kishori Nayak, all the deans, faculty members, research scholars, each and every one sitting over here, non-teaching staff, research scholars, students, and we were just having lunch and then we are talking that we will not call them as NAC volunteer, rather they are all, each one of you is a NAC warrior. So we, on behalf of the NAC peer team, I must profusely thank you and I must express my heartfelt gratitude to the entire team. I will not thank only the Vice Chancellor, but the entire team of Mangalore University for their kind hospitality, warm hospitality, and each and every action, whatever they have bestowed upon us. we really enjoyed the cultural program by students, and it was really very extremely amazing and wonderful performance. We will all cherish the memories of the cultural function, and we are happy with the whatever performance is going on at Mangalore University. And also I must tell you that we all, whoever are sitting in the dais, we all are teachers, and you are also associated with academic institution. There is a saying that Annadanam Mahatdanam Vidyadanam Tatoparam. That means we should feel proud that we are working in an institution which is meant for promoting education, which is meant for bringing in academic, you can say, height. We are really trying to take the education of our country to a greater height. So, when we visit any institution, we know that you have all worked very hard for this NAAC peer team visit. But I must request you, all of you, that your 4th cycle visit starts from tomorrow itself. All of you work on for the next NAAC cycle visit from tomorrow.
Well, as we wait for this moment with hopeful hearts about the positive outcome of this academic occurrence, it is now the moment, the most significant moment, where the chairperson of the NAAC peer team, Professor Madhumita Das, hands over the sealed copy of the peer team report of the 3rd cycle of NAAC accreditation of Mangalore University to the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor P. Subramanya Yadapaditaya. This is the moment. Can we please, ma'am? Can you please? Yeah. May I request all the members? It is a culmination as whatever was said, and here we are having the sealed copy of the peer team report coming up.
Three days term has come to an end, but as Madam and Vice Chancellor said, that it is also the beginning of another term, right? And I have been asked to express our sentiments. I would like to say that on behalf of the entire NAAC peer team, we express our heartfelt thanks, gratitude, and also a kind of a, what do you call actually, we never felt that we are visiting an university. I always felt that I am visiting a group of friends. I took liberty with many of my colleagues here. I took liberty with Madam Kishori, who is the director of IQSC. We had good time. We always had a fun time, good time. We enjoyed the visit. We learnt a lot. We also learned certain best practices. And that's what is the meaning of the NAAC peer team visit. We also learned many best practices. From the bottom of my heart, on behalf of the entire NAAC peer team, I express my thankful to all the people. I mean all, in the sense that it reminds me of Lord Rama, right? In Ramayana, Lord Rama thanked even the squirrel who contributed a small dust in the building of the Rama Setu. So I think whosoever are there, without naming, everybody, whether I know him or her, whether we know him or her, I think we thank everybody, all of you, who directly, indirectly, knowingly, unknowingly contributed to this peer team visit. I must say, because I told it in my peer team also, I just continue with what Madam, the chairperson, Madam said. Yes, we got fundings, very good fundings. And it is also important to note that we all get fundings, I mean, many a times, and sometimes we don't get fundings because of the administrative and financial lapses. And I must put it, I place it on record, that the administrative and financial support for executing the projects is very important. And on behalf of the NAAC peer team, I also thank the administration, the financial team, the administration team who supported these academic activities, right? It's but natural that funds come to the university and we return them without spending it because of some or other, genuine or ingenuine, reasons. But here in this university, I find that funds have come, funds have been utilized for the purpose, and new funds have come, new revenues have been generated. That's an important thing. And I would also like to say that any university at any time of time, at any point of time, needs a self-introspection. And the 40, right? When we are in the 40s, whether it is a human being, whether it is an institution, this 40s, this mid-age crisis, mid-age syndrome, right? It's very important. This university is now seeing that many stalwarts, many senior professors are retiring. And we have to, the next generation have to fill the shoes, and it's not easy. It's not easy. And this crisis you see in any university in the 40s. When it is 70-year-old, 80-year-old, 90-year-old university, that's a different thing. When you are a 10-year-old, 20-year-old, that's a different thing. But in university in the 40s, has a different challenge. And I hope everybody will rise up to the occasion. This is the time when the university develops laxity. This is the time when the university develops a bit of, complacency. And that's where you lose out the race actually. Those universities who are bigger, known for their achievements, they survived this 40s syndrome actually. So this 40s syndrome is very important and we all need to know about it. And that's it, I don't want to, and unfortunately, I'm sandwiched between great speakers, oratory skills. Vice Chancellor, your Vice Chancellor is an excellent orator. Madam Madhumita Das can't compare. And I'm sandwiched in between them. So I don't want to take much more time. Wish you all the best. Wish Mangalore University all the best. Thank you.
I have to say a big thank you to everybody. This has been nearly 2-year enterprise, I would say. We began thinking of applying for NAC about 2 years ago. And well, there was a delay because we did not have a regular Vice Chancellor. The regular Vice Chancellor was appointed, and then there were hurdles. There were hurdles all along the way. We started with one manual, the General Universities manual. Then in between came the dual mode manual. And finally, when we had tuned ourselves to the second manual, we were told we had a choice and we could apply under the General Universities manual. But again, the General Universities manual had changed. So we had to retune ourselves 3 times before we could submit the IIQA and submit the SSR. And well, then came the lockdown. March 14th, the colleges, classes were closed down, and I was racing towards submitting the SSR. I think it was due towards the end of March. Then we got reverberations of the lockdown happening. And Professor Narayan and I, who were coordinating the SSR effort, we decided to press the button, and that day was March 23rd, 2020. I am very grateful to all of you for, well, what I would view as a successful peer team visit. And well, we will now wait for our final grade card. Let us remember 70% is already sealed and 30% has also been sealed today. So sometime soon, when the NAC peer team, when NAC meets and decides to release the results, we shall come to know our results. Till then, we have faced the examination. And well, once we finish the examination, we celebrate. So this is a celebration of the completion of the exams. Usually, my nieces and nephews demand a party on the day they finish the exams. So maybe, yeah, we should all celebrate. Maybe, yes. So thank you, everybody. Thanks, one and all. Thank you, thank you, thank you.